In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text on draw.io. If you're working in draw.io and want to adjust the angle of a text box to better fit your diagram, the good news is that it's very simple. There are two easy ways to rotate text, and I'll walk you through both so you can choose the method that works best for you. First, inside the editor, click on the text box you want to rotate. Once it's selected, you'll see the controls for that object appear. Look toward the top right corner of the selected text box where you should find the rotate handle. Move your cursor over that handle, then click and hold. From there, drag your mouse around to rotate the text box to the angle you want. When it looks right, simply release your mouse. This method is great when you want to rotate text quickly and visually. It gives you direct control so you can freely adjust the angle until it matches the layout of your diagram. If you're trying to line text up with arrows, slanted shapes, or diagonal elements, dragging the rotate handle can be the fastest option. There's also another way to do it if you want a more precise result. With the text box still selected, go to the Properties panel on the right side of the screen. In that panel, switch to the Arrange tab. Once you're there, look for the rotation setting. Next to it, you'll find a field where you can type in the exact degree of rotation you want. This option is especially useful if you need consistency across multiple text elements, or if you already know the exact angle you want to use. For example, instead of rotating by eye, you can enter a specific value and get a cleaner, more accurate result. That can be very helpful when you're creating diagrams that need to look neat and aligned. So, to recap, you can either rotate a text box manually by dragging the rotate handle, or use the Arrange tab in the right side Properties panel to enter a specific rotation degree. Both methods work well, and the best one really depends on whether you want speed or precision. And that's it. That's how to rotate text on draw.io.